Hey guys, Mike Deal here with Georgia Outdoor Services. This is an introduction to one of our projects we just completed. It's a project over in Marietta. A nice elderly couple allowed us to come in and turn their backyard into a beautiful work of art. We were able to remove some plants for them, remove a fence, extend grass, put in some grass in the backyard, extend their patio, put in a lot of new plantings, put in a dry creek bed, grade out one of the hillsides, move a retaining wall for them. Here you'll see the before and after parts of the video. I'm still learning on these videos, so there's some editing issues that I haven't fixed yet, so I apologize about that ahead of time. As I get into doing these more and more, I'm going to get better and better, but for our first video, I don't think it's too bad. So we'll see, how it goes from here. If you would, click the like or subscribe button and follow me. I'll be uploading videos at least once a week. On my other channel, Fat to Rich, I'll be uploading daily, showing you my daily progress for my weight loss on a 60-day juice fast. So if you want to follow me there, help support me, keep me motivated to keep on doing it. It's a little bit of a struggle, but just giving you a little background information on my own life. Anyways, at Georgia Outdoor Services, we pretty much do everything outside. There's not much we can't handle. We don't really do decks much and intricate fence work. But as far as moving dirt, grading, retaining walls, concrete, flagstone patios, fireplaces, fire pits, we've built pizza ovens before. Pretty much if you can show me a picture of something or an idea, design, I can make it happen. And we make it look really, really good. Been doing this for about 15 years and really love what we do. We're able to go in and take a property that's not in pristine condition and turn it into a work of art. So really, really excited that we're able to do that for people, and hope to keep doing it for a long time. Please like or subscribe to my channel so you can get and click on the notification, the bell, so that you guys can get notifications when I post a new video and see a nice, beautiful piece of work. Thanks. Have a great day. Enjoy the video. Hey, good morning. This is Mike Deal with Georgia Outdoor Services. Starting a new job today. We're going to be putting in, moving a retaining wall, doing some grading, accommodating for proper drainage, put in some steps, extend the patio, remove a fence, put in some new grass. So walk you through, show you what that looks like, and then we'll show you some progression as we go through, and then final product in a couple of days. So here we go. Alright, so today we're starting a project here. We're going to be adding some grass in there, removing these junipers, removing the fence, adding some grass obviously in this bare area, correcting some drainage issues along the side here. Obviously you can see some exposed pipe, raised irrigation boxes. We're going to be correcting all that. We're going to be putting some steps in this area. Obviously you can see that this area is a little treacherous, so we'll be correcting this, getting rid of the edging here. I'll show you guys how that looks. That's where we'll be putting the steps. We're going to be extending the patio back here. You can see how it looks now. It's just a little cramped. You got a couple chairs out there, a little cramped. A barbecue grill. Right down here in this corner, this is where he's got some standing water when it rains. It's got a lot of water coming in the back there. We're going to be regrading all of this. We'll be changing this wall a little bit. Putting plants all along the edge here, and just making this backyard a little bit prettier. And we'll also be correcting some issues along the side over here. Putting in some grass so that things will grow a little bit. And all this fencing is going away as well. Just give you a panoramic view. Alright, so just showing you a little progress. We got these stepping stones out of the way here. There's Hamilton's feet. Starting to excavate for the pavers. And we have removed the fence. And there goes the fence on the truck. We received the materials, pavers, stepping stones, crush and run, sand, mortar. So we'll be ready to rock and roll. Hey guys, Mike Deal with Georgia Outdoor Services here. Just wanted to show you a finished product. Video recorded the other day walking around the yard. Just wanted to show you finished product. Everything's looking real good here. You had a drainage problem coming from the neighbor's house over there, and water was rushing down here, eroding the soil. We put in a nice creek bed here. Nice little Japanese maple there. See, we moved this wall. We extended this patio, put in this retaining wall here, added a fire pit. I'll back up the steps so you can see how everything looks as they walk out of their back porch. Big difference, guys. Corrected some drainage issues up there. If you watched the other video, we had some junipers up there. Ended up removing the junipers, extending the grass. This all looks beautiful. Alright, thank you guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please leave me any comments, any questions. You can reach us at 770-783-113 or sales@Georgia Outdoor Services. And you can also check out our website at georgiaoutdoorservices.com. Thanks. Have a great day.